If you are looking to buy the Viaterra Fender riding jacket, there are two measurements that you will need in order to identify the right size for you: the circumference at your chest and the circumference at your waist. To take these measurements, you will need a soft measuring tape like a tailor's tape. Alternatively, you could use a suitably long piece of string and then place it against a ruler or a measuring tape too. For better accuracy, we recommend asking someone to help you to take these measurements. The circumference of the chest should be measured at the widest point just below the underarm. Ensure that the tape or string is level around the entire body. The measurement of the waist should be taken at a point approximately 1 inch below the belly button. Ensure that the tape or string is level around the entire body and it's not held too tight. Now, all you need to do is match these measurements against the size chart to find the right size for you. In the off chance that each of your measurements falls in different sizes, for example, the chest measurement is in M, but the waist falls in L, you can opt for smaller size if you prefer a sportier fit, or larger one for a more relaxed fit. Of course, if you have any questions or doubts, you can always get in touch with our customer support team by email, over the phone, or chat with us via WhatsApp on our website viaterra.com.